Hello, you want to see how I achieve this egusi soup with vegetable? Watch this video so you don't miss out. I ended up pairing mine with a swallow. I can use it to eat rice, potato, fried yam, fried plantain, anything of my choice. Hello, welcome back. This is Lady B. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing safe. Today I'm cooking a egusi soup with vegetable. So here is my meat, already cleaned: sharki, pomo, cowleg, goat meat, abodi. I added my salt and my crayfish, my pepper, onion, and two seasoning cube. I'll cover and cook for 10 minutes. This is after 10 minutes I added water from the kettle. I'll cover and cook until it is soft and tender. So here it is soft and tender. I'll be adding 1 cup of tomato puree. I added my bushmeat. I added my overnight soaked stockfish. The reason I do soak my stockfish overnight is you will not cook it long again before it is cooked. So that is the reason I do that. So I cover and cook it for 10 minutes. I added my vegetable oil. I added my blended egusi. I'll mix and combine thoroughly. For those of you always returning to watch me, I really appreciate your love and support. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, turn on the post notification, and be a member of this family. So I cooked my soup for 20 minutes. After adding the egusi, I added my fish, and now I'll be adding my vegetable. Do check my channel out for other videos. So I steamed it just for 1 second, and after that I gave it a good mix, and I will cover and steam it again for another 1 second. So this is the outcome of our soup, looking nice, looking inviting, looking yummy. You can pair with anything. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.